Brigit transfers are not processed at one fixed speed for every user, because delivery time depends on whether you choose standard delivery or instant transfer, and how your bank handles incoming deposits. By the end, you'll know how long Brigit usually takes to send money, what causes delays, and how to make sure your transfer shows up as fast as possible. Brigit sends money in two main ways: standard transfer and instant transfer. Standard transfers move through normal banking networks, which means they can take longer because they are processed in stages between systems. Now explain instant option. Instant transfers are designed to arrive much faster, but they only work when your bank and debit card are compatible with real-time processing. Now explain what affects speed. The biggest factor is your receiving bank, because even after Brigit sends the money, your bank controls when it becomes available in your account. Now, explain verification. If your account is not fully verified, transfers can slow down because additional checks may be required before the money is released. Now explain setup issues. Incorrect banking details are one of the most common reasons for delays, since even small errors can block or redirect a transfer. Now, explain user expectation. A common misunderstanding is thinking Brigit controls the entire transfer speed from start to finish, but in reality, the process is shared between Brigit and your bank. Now, explain consistency. Users with stable, consistently used bank accounts tend to experience smoother transfers because the system recognizes the account as reliable. Now, explain timing behavior. Transfer times can vary depending on the time of day the request is made, and how quickly your bank processes incoming deposits. Now simplify it. Brigit transfer speed is not a single fixed timeline because it depends on transfer type, bank compatibility, and account verification status. Here's the simple breakdown. Brigit sends money either through standard or instant transfer, and the final arrival time depends mostly on your bank's processing speed and how your account is set up. Do this next. Check that your bank details are correct, confirm your account is fully verified, and choose instant transfer when available if you need faster delivery. If everything is set up properly, transfers usually arrive without issues. If not, delays are almost always caused by bank processing or verification steps.